It's easy to blame those that have wronged us for just about everything that is wrong with our life. If it wasn't for them, I would be happier. If it wasn't for them, I would have more money. Most people get so caught up in blaming, they continue to blame and sabotage their own life long after the person is gone from their life. Most people hold on to the blame because it's easier than moving on.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. What's up? What's good? What is popping? I just finished
filming. Hi everyone, I have been watching a new series. It's not new, but it's new to me, and I am on season 3, and I started watching it last night at 2 o'clock in the morning, so that should tell you a lot. Bye now.
Okay, all right, cool. So yeah, I just got Dill putting on this wig or whatever, and your girl is loving it. You know why? Yeah, it's another straight bob, but it looks so natural that way. It looks like a fresh relaxer. It looks like when I used to go to high school and I used to get a fresh relaxer.
When
like,
you come over and like, over here for me,
like, oh my god, okay, all right. No, but the reason why I really love this, is because it's completely glueless, no product whatsoever. I use a little mousse just to form the little baby hair. That is it. No got-to-be spray, nor gel, nor lace glue is on this right now. Let me show y'all. Okay, you see, this is why you need to go ahead and subscribe to my main channel, Petitesue Divinity. Okay, all right, cool. This video is not yet live, but I feel like it's gonna be live soon, like in the upcoming week. So yeah, go ahead, check it out, subscribe, stay tuned, and you can get the plug on this wig. So yeah, we're just gonna go to the road real quick. It's a Friday. And oh, mommy is right here. Obviously, she knows she just coming out of the car. And mommy style that, you know, she come in, she not say nothing. Hi, how are you? Reach back home, guys, and right now I'm gonna jump in some editing actually, but I remember that for the last vlog, or like I don't know if it's last vlog or for the past 2 vlogs, I didn't do any post notification shout outs, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so that was when we did the video with when Rush Cam drunk way off. So alright, so I'm gonna take like 5 people. So first shout out goes to Shantae, next shout out goes to Dreeny or Dreen Uplifting Souls, then we got Tatiana Reeves. She said she loves when we're vibing to the songs in the car. No, it's a whole vibe, it's the whole party. Then the next shout out goes to Aliyah Norville. Did I shout that person out already? That name is just son Familia. I'm gonna scroll all the way down the bottom for the last shout out. Naturally _876. She said every time I see with a new wig, I want to get a new. Oh my god. Don't give it to the don't give it to Berja. I mean, go ahead and support your girl. Like, I really do appreciate the support. Like, use my code and stuff, like when you want to get your wigs and stuff, but like don't feel pressure, guys. Like, I realize these days, like some girls, like they might even want to wear one wig for a long time again. I'm not talking about me, but you know, like when one time got people and jokes so that like one look for 1 2 weeks, that not keep again. That I keep again, just oh, every 3 days they look up for change. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Don't feel pressured into what is always trending. Don't. I'm just here to give you guys options, you know, like when you're ready for step out again and, you know, turn heads, like I'm here to give you options with the wigs. But yeah, so that's it for all the show outs today. So I'm gonna jump into my editing. I'm gonna make my green juice right now. Make my tea. I haven't had my tea yet, so I'm gonna make that and just sit. This is actually going to be my last thing for the day. Yeah, I've been so, oh my god, in that vlog I'm for sure exactly what I eat right throughout the day. All right, watch it now. Tomorrow I do that. Far I've been through 1 week and it's been good. I have not slacked. So my thing is I don't want to get like lean. Like about my gains, but I just want to like cut on carbs some, not too much, because carbs really help the muscles and stuff. But like I did cut, like I'm cutting rice as I said before. So yeah, I'm not gonna ramble much more for this clip. See, I feel so sleepy. See you guys in the next clip.
Guys, we did some face again. Now we're in our favorite dress. So everybody on YouTube know that by now. Eating famous bowl, guys. Famous. What's wrong? Told you that, you know, I would show you what I'm eating for the entire day today. So right now I'm gonna make some eggs. Show me make some nuggets. So I'm gonna eat eggs and nuggets. Usually before I eat food, I'd have something light and then I take my vitamins, but I can't take vitamins by empty stomach, else I'm gonna feel nauseous. So
it's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that.
So this is my breakfast, guys. Sorry, it's kind of messy in the cup, but yeah, this is my breakfast. Egg and nuggets. And please about lecture about the nuggets, them in the comments. Please, I eat nuggets once in a blue moon. I'm just living a little. Honestly, I woke up so hungry. I'll go on the road real quick. I got a call to collect my prescription lens. So as I told you, I don't know if it did in the last vlog, I was saying that I'm really supposed to wear my glasses, but I don't enough or something like so. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get my prescription lens. I got it in like brown, like a dark brown. My natural eye color is dark brown. She call about your lens too? Me get my call to go there. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Guys, so there it is. It's brown. Looks pretty good, but you guys know the prescription is the last like a month, so yeah. The whole new day I'm gonna drink my garlic and ginger tea. I just published a video and I'm about to head out. Well, I need to go get some stuff and hurry back so I can finish packaging. Oh, so I did not get to tell you, but honestly, never did even plan. I just get up and say, you know what, I have wigs piled up. Well, a good amount, not a lot. But from the last wig sale, because my wigs then just pile up. So I just said, okay, let me have another wig sale. So I'm currently having another wig sale. But as we speak now, as I'm on the vlog speaking, I don't have a lot left. But by the time you see this vlog, which is tomorrow, I'm gonna be how long it be. I'm gonna do another vlog here tomorrow. I'm really trying to do vlogs on Tuesdays, but enough time I just not have enough content, you know. So by the time I see the vlog, I'm gonna know, can still check Divinity Glam and see if you know anything is left that you like. If you wanna support that, yeah, it's don't know. Divinity Glam is where it's at. Oil is going to be restocked soon. Trust me, I went by the place, so what is left that I need to get, they say Wednesday, so yeah, very soon. So you have to just stay tuned to the page for updates. So yeah, so I'm gonna be heading off to the gym, and I'm going to get that, come back, drop it off, and then go to the gym. And today's legs day, so where's my eyelash? One eyelash. Most of this gone, and most of that I'm going to be trying out a new lash take for this set. I'm going to remove this because that new lash taking on enough people and like we're part of people work, because Elsie now available. She called to make my appointment but she's not available, so I'm going to be trying out a new lash take. Yeah. So without further ado, let's go to the gym. I'm taking you guys to the gym today with me. Okay, let's go. Done with the gym, guys. It was pretty, it was good rough today. I feel like I'm gonna get fresh right now, then I'm gonna get a salad, then I have to meet up with Shami, and then we're gonna go ship off some orders. So I'm gonna be on the road. I'm pretty busy for today. So that's what's up. My workout is complete. I feel good about that, but I don't do no cardio today because I feel like, yo, one thing with me, if I stick to eating a certain way and doing cardio, I cut like nothing. So I feel like I don't really want to cut off too much more. I just want to kind of do some more abs, keep consistent with abs, but that's it. Like, I don't feel like I want to cut off anymore. I'm dripping. Like, I'm just gonna cool off for a little bit and then go take a shower. Okay guys, so I'm all done with getting fresh. No, it's so hot. I know I can't eat or AC, sorry. I'm all done, I'm fresh and stuff. So right now, I'm
I'm gonna pick up Shami and we are going to ship off the orders that we need to ship. As I said, just a few more wigs are left on the page. And please remember, these are wigs that you guys see me apply like once. All of these wigs I've applied and customized, and they're all medium cap size. And you must DM Divinity Glam only if you're interested, not to our personal pages, but Divinity Glam. That's if you're interested in anything that's left.
It's time to quit while we're ahead.
You're doing your job, man. You're doing your job. You see how my assistant say? You see what you should do?
Yesterday, guys. You said this is going to be that time.
You can borrow your pen, please? You can borrow your pen? It's just right here, some of them. I'm not teeth it, man. Alright then, see there?
Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
We are done right there. We are done with sending off orders. Get some other stuff done. This is what we about to do.
Such a girl, but I can't bother with love. That's what you deserve. Yeah.
Niggas were busted.
Guys, so obviously we reach home at night time now, and me other comment news. Do we have to run out of the way? She look out for her food. That's a whole lot of sauce.
I like it saucy. Yeah, but
That don't look good. That don't look good, guys. So my fullest work off my nailing. I wanted to start editing the vlog from like before, but time catch up on because soaking off our nails.
yeah, I just asleep left it as
Yes, so I'm about one of them up here. How to eat the apple. Guys, alright, so I'm done to the vlog. Did I do shout outs for this vlog? Tomorrow I'm doing this one now. And yeah, but I'm done with the rambling. So camera battery did I go. But tell myself something, when I get a vlog here tomorrow, I'm gonna stretch it out till weekend. I find that I'm going from what you want to feel like, you know, from I feel like, you know, I just drag it out, but no, I'm not gonna do that for the vlog here. So this is where today's vlog is going to end. Thank you guys so much for watching. This one is washing up the plate, so she'll make a bunch of nice, just being annoying. So thank you guys again for watching, and you have to go over to my main channel to know about this wig that I'm wearing. It's a 360 obviously. But anyway, done with rambling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. share the video as well. And we're growing. Thank you guys so much for 65k subs. Thank you guys. Road to 100k. Road to 100k. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So bye.